Unit 7, Vocabulary. Describing people and things. Physical appearances. Short, tall, thin or skinny, slender, muscular, chubby, fat, mustache, a beard, bald, so it's a 25 hand shape, bald, short hair, or however short it is, long hair, however long it is, curly hair, wavy hair with 5 hand shape, wavy, a bun, a ponytail, so you grab it and comes an S, a ponytail, an R, braid, dreadlocks, blonde, brunette, redhead, gray hair. Clothing, vertical stripes, or vertical stripes on me, horizontal stripes, plaid, polka dotted, design or pattern, a logo, leather, rubber, glass, padded or puffy, cloth, material, metal, so it comes out, shirt, t-shirt, a blouse, a sweater or sweatshirt, a jacket or with both, jacket, a vest, a crew neck, a v-neck, collared, a tank top with G's, tank top, spaghetti strap with eyes, spaghetti strap, either turtleneck or turtleneck, long sleeved, 3/4 sleeve, short sleeve, no sleeve, buttons, snap buttons, so buttons with F, snap buttons with a double G, frills, ruffles, fringe, a hood or hoodie, a scarf, a hijab, and a turban. Okay. Reactions. Oh, I see. New. Old. Real. Fake. Dyed. Pretty. Beautiful. Unusual. Odd. Strange. Weird. Cool. Never seen before. That's different. It's old-fashioned. It's unattractive, ugly. It's bold, bold. Can I borrow it? Can I borrow it? Eyebrows up. Material, what? What is it made of? Material, what? You buy where? Where did you buy it from? You buy where? I got it as a gift. Okay, so I got it as a gift. I gave it as a gift. Costs how much with an X? Costs how much? Dollars and cents. That was Unit 7.